Welcome and welcome and welcome and welcome back. It is your girl D to the Y to the M to the O to the N to the D, and I am back with another organizing vlog. Hi you guys, this will be an organizing video today. Excuse me. This will be an organizing video today, and I will be showing y'all how I organize my kitchen. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So you guys, I am about to put up these groceries. I have a couple dishes in the sink that I have to do, and y'all can basically just go along with me with it. Plate was in the car, so my daughter ain't got it out. So let's put up the groceries. Yeah, we had some. I had mixed. Huh? Okay. I had made some fried rice last night. It was good. It was good, y'all. So good. Hey, Kay. Hey, Tanky. Y'all wanna know what's funny? So when I do curve tie, it just makes me so freaking mad because that lighting is so off, you guys. So it makes me so bad because I'm thinking this damn ham was $12.28, and look how little this thing is. It made me so mad. HEB, yeah.
I passed by last night. It was so big.
Yeah, because it's HEB. And then so y'all, this is so funny because this damn turkey, I'm thinking I'm getting a big turkey. Okay, $18.37, y'all. $18.37, and look at this shit. What the hell am I doing with this little shit? Literally,
I don't eat turkey.
like, where is it? $18.37. I was so mad. Like, so I'm gonna put this back up in here.
You want some?
The kids do not drink this, so I guess I'm gonna pour it out. They think it's nasty, y'all. So I'm pour this
You're
out.
gonna be hyper, boy.
I don't understand. Look at him drinking that. You gonna be hyper, Tinky. The best. This coffee is good.
I begin to.
You know.
I begin to. I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. Yeah, ooh, you're mine for sure. You know.
I begin to. I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. Yeah, ooh, you're mine for sure. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is the nurse drip check because I am about to head out for work. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. So I got on the gray scrubs with my gushers because everybody knows the girl loves gushers. So I gotta keep my gushers on me. I have on the gray gold zipper. Y'all know I love the gold zipper. I have on my scrub pants. Okay. And some regular Nike walking shoes. So this will be the end of the video. Hope you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.